Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen. Today's recipe is Pancit Bihon, stir-fried noodles with prawns. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of today's dish: prawns, chili pepper, lemon, garlic, soy sauce, fish sauce, cooking oil, onion, carrot, green beans, and noodles. Now before we start cooking, let's prepare the vegetables. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.